In this video, I'll show you how to crop an image into a perfect circle in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started. First, go to the toolbar on the left. Then select the Ellipse tool. Hold Shift, then click and drag to draw a perfect circle. Resize and position the image so it fully covers the circle. Switch to the Selection tool by pressing V. Click and drag to select both the circle and the image. Right-click and choose Make Clipping Mask. That's it! Your image is now cropped into a circle. If you want to reposition the image, double-click the shape and move the image around until it looks right. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.